Xiaomi also announced the new Pad 7 series incorporating the base model and the Pro model of these new tablets. Although, despite carrying the Pro surname, again we see this insistence by several Chinese manufacturers to incorporate an IPS screen instead of an AMOLED screen. In this case, both models have 11.2-inch screens with 3.2K resolution and 144 Hz in their refresh rate. Its maximum peak is 800 nits, and they also have an option available called Nano Matte, which will have a finish to avoid reflections, especially from very strong light sources such as the sun or some window, for those who want that option available. The Xiaomi Pad 7 has the 3rd generation Snapdragon 7 Plus processor, while the Pro model goes for the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3. We will see front cameras of 8 and 32 megapixels respectively, and for the back 13 and 50 megapixels respectively. In both cases, we see a battery capacity of 8,850 milliamps, but we will see differences in the charging capacity they support, as the Xiaomi Pad 7 supports 45 watts of charge, while the Pro model supports 67 watts. These tablets are 6.18 millimeters thick and, of course, support an optional keyboard accessory that has tilt adjustment. The tablet has 4 speakers and also supports the stylus accessory. In both cases, the most basic model is 8 GB of RAM with 128 GB of storage. This configuration of the Xiaomi Pad 7 has an advertised price for China of 1,999 yuan. This is $280, although remember that prices here are not the same as over there. On the other hand, the top model of both tablets has 12 GB. Only in the base model it has 256 GB of storage, while in the Pro model it goes up to 512. So the most expensive configuration of the Pro model has an advertised price for China of 3,499 yuan. That is $490. As I indicated, these devices have been announced for China and we will have to wait for their global launch.